Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn a simple and effective cleaning trick for your kitchen sink that uses baking soda and vinegar. This method is not only easy to follow but also eco-friendly and affordable. So, let's get started. First, gather the following ingredient: 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of white vinegar, a half cup of water, a few drops of dish soap optional. Now, follow these simple steps. 1. Fill your kitchen sink with enough water to cover the sink space. 2. Add a few drops of dish soap to the water if your sink is very dirty or has hard to remove stains. 3. Pour the baking soda into the water, ensuring that the water level in the sink is below the baking soda. 4. Wait for a few minutes while the baking soda and water mixture fizzes and bubbles. 5. Once the fizzing has stopped, pour in the white vinegar slowly. 6. Stir the mixture together using a spoon or your hands, ensuring that all the surfaces and crevices are covered. 7. Allow the mixture to sit for a few minutes. This will give the vinegar and baking soda time to work their magic. 8. Finally, remove the mixture using a sponge or cloth, rinsing the sink with warm water and drying it thoroughly. And there you have it, a sparkling clean kitchen sink. The baking soda and vinegar mixture works wonders in removing kitchen grime, limescale, and tough stains. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, healthier, and more pleasant kitchen environment.